Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting maintenance module, which is nothing but platform developer 1 certification maintenance, which is for winter 24 release. So let's take up our first challenge now. So if your profile is showing maintenance due, you need to complete this in order to clear your maintenance. So this is going to be the quiz. Let's take up the quiz now. So with user underscore mode would be the answer for our first quiz, followed by either A or B, followed by property getters or accessed only once per instance of directive, followed by iterable variable, and comparator interface would be the answer for our fifth quiz. Let's check the quiz now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Final challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.